After generating your cart on the relationship page, you'll be able to view it on this cart page. Here, you have the same favorite and block system as on the relationship page, where you can favorite or block any users you want, and the list order will be changed based on these changes. We have some additional information in this table as well, like the type of the cart, indicating if the other user is a supplier or a buyer. Here we have two supplier cards from the UExpo company, where the UExpo is the supplier of this card and I am the buyer. We have the card number as well, a unique identifier for each card. We have the enterprise and the country of the other users. In this case, is the UExpo company. And we have the creation date of the card as well, and the number of the unread messages in this card room. And finally, we have a button to open the negotiation desk, where you can negotiate the items with the enterprise. For more detail about negotiations, please open the page and click in the tutorial button inside them. And in this page, you can also apply filters to any columns. For example, let me filter by cart number. I'll filter by age, and we can see that only one cart matches my search. And also, if I remove the search, we can sort the items by the cart number, as you can see here, making it more easy to you find the cards you want.